Hi everyone, welcome back to Lyna English Studio. Today we're diving into another essential topic for English learners, the 4 past tenses. I'll explain each tense with a simple formula, how to use it, signal words, and an example so you can start using them confidently right away. Firstly, the past simple tense. Structure: subject plus verb in past form. Usage: we use past simple to talk about actions that happened and finished in the past. Signal words: yesterday, last week, in 2010, ago. Example: she visited her grandmother yesterday. Secondly, the past continuous tense. Structure: subject plus was or were plus verbing. Usage: we use past continuous to talk about actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. Signal words: while, when, at 8 o'clock, at that moment. Example: at 9 o'clock last night, I was watching a movie. Thirdly, the past perfect tense. Structure: subject plus had plus past participle. Usage: we use past perfect to talk about an action that happened before another action or time in the past. Signal words: before, after, by the time. Example: by the time she arrived, I had already left. Fourthly, the past perfect continuous tense. Structure: subject plus had been plus verbing. Usage: we use past perfect continuous to talk about how long something had been happening. Signal words: for, since, by the time. Example: by the time the train came, we had been waiting for an hour. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Lyna English Studio.